Hello, everyone. You need to continue with your virtual field trip this week. And so by the end of, let me just tell you, what you need to do and then come back and tell you what we provide to you, okay? At the end of the unit, what you need to do is to actually create a Google Google Earth virtual field trip, and you need to that field trip need to have all the different locations, 3 locations. If you are going to work on these assignments by yourself, and if you are going to work with one other student in the class, then you should have 5 locations, and each location should have one at least one related media element, and generally that means either an image or video or hyperlink. All right, and each location should also use a layer. Okay, at least one, but you can use more than one layer. Okay, and you shouldn't be using the same layer in each location. And then when you're done, save everything into a folder, inside Google Earth, and there's a tutorial for that. And at least one location should have one tool. Okay, this include image overlay, path, ruler, elevation, or polygon. And after that, then you can save what you have done, into a KMZ file. Okay, and after you have saved the KMZ file, you can attach it to your Google page. The page that you created last week that is called a virtual field trip. You can just save it over there. And again, you should attach it to the page, and I have a tutorial that shows you how to do it. Now, another important part, probably the most important part, is you need to actually use this Google Earth virtual tool to teach a lesson. Okay, this is just a mini lesson, and you need to record yourself doing it. Okay, so you are teaching it as if you are teaching it to a group of students. Okay, and you use a tool called Screen-O-Matic to record your lesson. Okay, and after you are done, then you have to upload this tutorial to YouTube. Okay, and after you have uploaded to YouTube, and you should already know how to embed the YouTube video into your website. But just keep in mind that YouTube videos generally let you record a 10 minutes lesson only. Okay, if your lesson is going to be longer than 10 minutes, then you should break it up into 2 sections. And we really don't require more than 10 minutes, but if you want, your lesson is longer than that, that's fine with us too. We just want to make sure this is going to be useful to you. All right. Now, if you come back to the instructions section, you see that we already have tutorials that shows you the difference, how to do different things, how to put the different elements into a place marker. And we also have tutorials that shows you how to change the fonts, how to add a layer, in a location in Google Earth. It is really quite easy, and so you can go to that. And we also have several tutorials that relates to Screen-O-Matic. This is a very Screencast-O-Matic, and this is a very powerful tool that you can use it for many purposes. It basically captures everything that you do on a screen, and so I have a tutorial here that teach you how to do it, and I also have a tutorial here that teach you how to use a webcam along with the screen recording. And this page include tutorials how to create and save your screencast. Okay, this is something that is kind of like just to help you in case if you lost the video, you still have the original Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, now coming back to here. if you go to the tutorial page or just click here, you will find that we actually have a lot of other tutorials that are relating to Google Earth. I'm not listing all of them here. I have listed all the ones that I think you will be using here. But if you want to find additional tutorials, I have it inside the tutorials page too. And a couple more things. Okay, at the end right here, I have an example that shows you how the final page should look like. Okay, so it will be helpful for you to see how the final page is supposed to look like. Okay, and under the introduction here, I also have a sample recording of showing a place marker activity too. So I hope that these materials are helpful to you, and that we have clearly stated all the assignments right here under the assignments area. And so if you have any question, send me an email. We'll be more than happy to help you. All right.